Hello everyone. Yes, I've started. Catherine's on her iPad. I'm recording.
Yeah, no, you start bloody again.
Right. Hello everyone and welcome along to another awesome armchair adventure. We've got a very special episode for you this time round. We've been invited down to Jervis Bay by the lovely people at Dolphin Watch Cruises. We're going to go out into Jervis Bay and out through the heads of the bay, and we're going whale watching. Good morning everybody and welcome to lovely Hackintosh. Today we are going out on the Dolphin Watch boat, which you can just see over my shoulder here. It's the peak of the whale watching season here, the winter migration where the whales head north from Antarctica to the breeding grounds up near the equator. So hopefully we'll see lots of lovely humpback whales, maybe a southern right whale or two, and quite probably some dolphins as well out in the bay, because there's a big population of dolphins here. So we're going to go over to the Dolphin Watch offices up the hill here and get our tickets and get on board. Well, here we are, and over my shoulder you can see the boat that we're going out on today on the Dolphin Watch Eco Cruise. Like I say, it's about an hour and a half, 2 hours. You have to book ahead for these. Obviously that depends on the time of year that you come out here, but these are really popular cruises out on beautiful Jervis Bay, and you'd be well advised to book your ticket ahead of time, either online or by giving the Dolphin Watch guys a call. was a very successful little cruise. Thank you very much again to Dolphin Watch for taking us out on that. That was absolutely terrific. Really nice getting out on the bay and seeing the whales. Didn't see any breach, but we saw them on the surface. That was really good. Where are we feasting, Catherine?
3 little pigs.
5 little pigs.
5 little pigs.
5 little pigs. 5 little pigs. And that brings us to the end of another awesome armchair adventure. Thanks very much indeed to the lovely folks at Dolphin Watch Cruises for inviting Catherine and myself out on their awesome Eco Extreme cruise out to see the whales. It was super busy and we saw loads of them and it was awesome, and we will be back. If you've enjoyed the video, please hit the old like and subscribe buttons, and we will see you next time on another awesome armchair adventure out in amazing South Coast New South Wales. Bye.